Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Just Nutritive, their anti-aging body treatment. If you're looking to combat signs of aging and achieve smoother, more radiant skin, this might just be the product for you. Let's get into the details. Just Nutritive is renowned for its commitment to quality skincare, and this anti-aging body treatment lives up to the brand's reputation. Packed with potent ingredients like hazelnut oil and walnut oil, it targets crepey skin, dryness, and even helps reduce the appearance of stretch marks and age spots. Applying the Just Nutritive anti-aging body treatment is simple. Start with clean, dry skin. Take a small amount and gently massage it into areas like your legs, arms, and neck. Use daily for best results. I've been using this product and I've noticed a significant improvement in the texture of my skin. It feels firmer, smoother, and has a healthy glow that I love. Unlike many other products on the market, Just Nutritive prides itself on being a small business brand that focuses on quality over mass production. Their products are cruelty-free and formulated with natural ingredients, making them a great choice for conscientious consumers. Wrapping up, if you're looking to invest in a skincare product that delivers on its promises, the Just Nutritive anti-aging body treatment is definitely worth considering. It's effective, made from quality ingredients, and supports a small business. What more could you ask for? That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.